What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna share with you exactly how much YouTube paid me for 1.3 million views. Spoiler alert.
It's probably not as much as you think.
But if you're anything like me, you always wanted to know, what is it like to be a YouTuber? How much money do they actually make? So I'm gonna bring you behind the scenes, walk through how much I got paid, the most popular videos, and spill all the tea. Let's get into it. All right, so here I have my YouTube account pulled up, and you can see here, I got 1.3 million views. And when you scroll down, you can see YouTube paid me a whopping $32,946.46. Can we just round that up to 33,000? So YouTube paid me roughly $33,000 for 1.4 million views. And what's interesting about this is most people think that once they get a viral video or they get some video that does 1 million views, that they're rich and they made it. Well, according to what YouTube pays a personal finance YouTuber, which is typically some of the highest paid YouTube people around, it only equates to about $32,000, right? $33,000. If you scroll over here to revenue, let's see, does it tell us anything different? So yeah, it's going to share with us again what the revenue was. It's going to, I forget what RPMs is, but good thing I can just scroll over it and read it. RPM means revenue per mil and tells you how much you earn per 1,000 views. So yeah, so per 1,000 views, basically I make $24.12. So if 1,000 people watch this video, I get paid $24.12 basically. And then playback based CPM, 45.59 means effective playback cost per mil and tells you how much advertisers pay per 1,000 monetized playbacks. So I almost think you can take that and say YouTube kept almost half and then I got the rest of it, or a little less than half and I got the rest of it. And then these were my top earning videos. So $13,000 for how to trade stock options, $4,000 for how to trade options on Robinhood, complete walkthrough, how to use TD Ameritrade, how to trade options, calls, and puts for beginners. Those were some of my top earning videos. And then to the left is just an estimate of what you made month to month. So a couple things to take away from this. Number one, having a channel or a video that does 1 million views does not make you a rich YouTuber. It does make you about $33,000 though. But the other thing is the real money is made from your sponsorship deals. It's made if you have your own product or a service to sell. It's made from paid speaking engagements. By the way, if you guys need a stocks and options speaker for your church, your charity, your online seminar to talk to college students, high school students, whatever it is, hit us up in the links. We do paid speaking engagement, paid live seminars, virtual, as well as in person. And so it's more about the exposure that you get from YouTube to leverage it to get other partnerships and other revenue coming in versus the amount that you actually make on YouTube itself. So 1.3 million views paid me about $33,000. If you divide that up, by the way, not a bad side hustle for doing something you love, which is talk about personal finance and stocks and options, that comes out to about $2,700 a month. And so that's not money to poo-poo over, right? That's a mortgage, that's an exotic car, that's a lot of different things that you can pay for with an extra $2,750 a month for doing something that you were probably gonna do anyway and for talking about a subject that you love. So if this was helpful or insightful, if you're thinking about starting YouTube as a side hustle, it kind of gives you something you can look forward to, as well as some other ideas of how you can monetize your brand above and beyond what YouTube pays you for ad revenue. Hit the like button, leave a comment below. Are you thinking about becoming a YouTuber? Were you shocked at how much I made or thought it would be more or less? I'd love to hear from you in the comments, and then I'll jump in the comments and read every one of them myself, because I'm curious. If you were like me, I was always curious, what do they actually pay? Well, now you know. I'll see you in the next video.